Let me just tell y'all something, man. When Mama Wildbeard and Papa Wildbeard give you a furry hat to keep your head warm, you wear it, bro. This is super cool. I love this thing. This is the Bible that I used when I was a preacher. I preached a lot of sermons out of here. This was a amen sign that I had, so people would amen me when I preached. Times were hard all over. It's my grandpa's Winchester 30-30. I'm gonna take this with my family. Yeah, dude. All right, let's get out of here. We gotta get some other stuff done today. All right, guys. So get this. I just cleaned out one of my bank accounts. Woo, baby! Cleaning out the bank accounts. I just got coffee, actual drinking coffee, from the best coffee house. It's called Piper's. It's in Paducah, Kentucky. And I freaking love Piper's in Paducah, Kentucky. I gotta go get my mom something for Christmas though. Cause our family celebrates Christmas on Thanksgiving, cause it's the time like we're all together. So I'm gonna go get my mom something. I got my dad something. I got gift wraps, all that stuff. I just gotta get my mom something, so. So what's up, guys? I actually came back to my parents' house for Thanksgiving, and if you look here in the background, dude, this is my old stomping grounds of my CDL school. I still remember these orange barrels and cones, man, and they would set these up back over here. This is where I learned how to back and parallel park for the first time. So dude, I got this question. Somebody sent this to me on Snapchat. Dude goes by Stylish Co. Something like that, man. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right, but he asked me this. He said, what made you go into trucking? What do you like most about it, man? What made me go into trucking was the money, man. I mean, there's no other way to say it other than that. Dude, I got tired of living check to check, not having a savings account. What I like most about it was, you know, the solitude is what really got to me at the beginning, but then the solitude becomes your friend, man. Like, I am kind of a loner now. I used to be kind of a real big people person. This is weird seeing it. It's actually changed hands. It's done by the community college. I used to contract that out and everything. So, but I pulled up here the other day and there was a bunch of students and there was one teacher, I think, he didn't want to be interviewed. And they were hotheads, bro. They thought they knew everything. So I just didn't really want to film in front of them or do anything, interviews with them. Dude, this is my own stomping grounds. It feels weird. This is where I got my CDL. I did it for the money. This is what's up. So, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna get out of here, man. All that stuff. So y'all stay with me. Show y'all what's up. I just wanted to take a little break here in the video to say I am so thankful for you guys. A lot of you guys have subscribed to the channel, hit the bell, and hit all, and you watch every video, you comment on every video, you like every video. It means a lot to me, man. I remember when there wasn't a lot of people rocking with me, man. There wasn't a lot of people who commented or even cared, dude. And a lot of you guys have really came on the scene, and I want y'all to know I really appreciate it. So thank you guys very much. All right, back to the video. This right here, y'all. The moment y'all been waiting for. Let me introduce you to a legend. This is over here is Mama Wildbeard.
Hey.
We're gonna make some cookies. I've got my Christmas sweater on. My mom's got her Christmas apron on. And so we're gonna make some cookies. That's what's gonna go down. Yeah. Woo!
They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even mine.
What we're about to do, Ambrose? Let them know, man. We're gonna get some drone shots for the channel. It's my little buddy. It's my little nephew Ambrose right here, and we're gonna get some drone shots for the channel so y'all can see him, because this right here, it's his first time ever gonna be piloting a drone, and so we're gonna catch it on camera and we're gonna show y'all what's up about it. All right, so y'all stay tuned. And tap and hold that till you see the little circle go around it. Tap it, hold it down. Oh man. Oh man. That's you. All right, now take this. See this right here?
Yeah.
All right, put your hand around it like this, and then press up on that. What would you like?
The sound of sleigh bells on reindeer only come this time of year. With Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When his elves clear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas. Hear the sleigh.
Let me just tell y'all something, man. When Mama Wildbeard and Papa Wildbeard give you a furry hat to keep your head warm, you wear it, bro. You wear it, bro. All right, dude. So let me just tell y'all something, man. I did not get as much footage as I wanted, that I would have liked to have had. I just didn't, man. And dude, I mean, our family, we were just hanging out together and doing our thing. But just know, guys, that that I got into trucking to change my life monetarily, to stop living paycheck to paycheck. I was tired of struggling. But you know, it's a hard job, man. That's why there's such a high turnover rate. And so, you know, but that's what the dealio is on that. Dude, I had a fun time with my family. We did a lot of cool stuff. We hung out and shot guns, and you know, we went hiking, and we had a bonfire at the back of the house cabin thing, and it was a lot of fun, man. And so if you're on my Instagram, you can definitely go look at those pictures. I posted a lot of pictures, and if you're on Snapchat, I posted a lot of videos. So those links and all that stuff is down in the bottom. But just know, guys, I appreciate you guys. I'm thankful for you guys, and we'll definitely catch you on the next one. Wildbeard out.